Today, we're going to go over the insane and reckless merger between Hut 8 and US Bitcoin Corp. Majority of the articles on the web are going to say they're positive. It was an equal and fair merger. I promise you it's all fluff, and they are not telling you the raw details behind the scenes. So to get into it, US Bitcoin Corp, they only own two assets. One is a 50 megawatt Niagara Falls site that's been under legal scrutiny the past few months. It's been unoperational. I believe they racked up $1 million worth of fines for noise complaints and other things of that nature. Now, I believe in the past 7 to 10 days, they are back to being operational, but certainly not a good start. The second is a 50% stake in the 280 megawatt King Mountain infrastructure, which they were able to acquire for $10 million in the Compute North Bankruptcy. It was completely underwater. They owed about $100 million to NextEra. The US Bitcoin took on this extra debt at the same time where they defaulted on two corporate loans. They had to restructure the loans, give up equity value in Anchorage, and give up their Pecos, Texas site to other miners. So this is a very bad deal. This is by no means equal or fair. I don't understand how they were able to get equal amount of stock into the ticker HUT, HUT, which we'll go over in a moment. So again, when it goes back to the S4s, really when you do digging, it just screams material weakness. And HUT 8 shareholders get to vote on this quote unquote clean and audit approved figures. It doesn't make any sense. It's very shady, and I don't understand why all of these articles are fluff pieces saying how great this is. It's not premier. It's not anything fantastic. This is the opposite. So I'm very confused here. Now, one big thing as we start to transition into the charts, when we look at a company like TeraWulf, if I'm Celsius or if I'm another big corporation that is going bankrupt or defaulting, I need to give my assets to a company so that they can plug in and I can get some money for my creditors that just got absolutely destroyed as they're going out of business. So why would you give it to HUT 8? If I'm Celsius, why would I give my assets to HUT 8 to plug in when TeraWulf is self-sustainable? They don't have to worry about any carbon tax, anything that is going to actually halt their process of crypto mining. We saw Kathy Hochul, which is the New York State governor, implemented certain restrictions on crypto mining. Now, again, Wolf is all self-sustainable. They give out clean energy, so they don't have to worry about any taxes or anything that's going to halt the momentum of their mining. All these other firms, they're paying taxes. They're having to shut down business. They're having to give away the asset that they're producing, which is Bitcoin, is to pay out for all these issues. Not only that, but when Bitcoin is at a low or it's struggling, this company, TeraWulf, is going to thrive. They thrive in low Bitcoin environments because they have locked in or fixed energy costs for the next few years. They don't have to worry about the energy costs spiking, having to sell off majority of their assets. That's how a lot of these blowups come, because they're not sustainable when times are tough. When competition is thriving, you see all of these major funds go bankrupt and they belly up. So again, I just want to make this video very short and simple. When we recap TeraWulf at the bottom, it was 60 cents. Not but 17 trading days later, it's up 176%, or not even 20 trading days. This is a fantastic investment in my eyes. I called it 10x at the bottom. So again, I'm going to recap on what I said before. I still believe this is a 10x investment easy. I wouldn't even be shocked in the next 2 weeks if we see this over $2. So this is serious, okay? I know that a lot of people, they like to talk and they like to just skim through things. I really urge you to dig deep into this merger and acquisition, a failed one in my personal opinion, and take a look at these big companies. When they're giving away their assets, they need the strongest companies to plug them in and try to get some money back. I don't understand why TeraWulf wouldn't be top of their radar. That's why I'm making this video, is to follow up with you and show you exactly how confident I am, and again, reassuring what I said in the past. So again, you guys do your own research. You let me know how you feel about this situation. I believe TeraWulf's going to be an absolute monster in the future. But again, my perspective, my outlook is not to day trade. It's not to scalp it. I'm looking long term. I said it before. I'm looking 12 to 24 months down the line, a minimum mid-2024 where we see the Bitcoin halving. I think that's ultimately when it's going to rip and TeraWulf is going to show its true colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.